This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable food boats, specifically these great grease-proof origami style food boats. You can see they easily fold or pop up, giving you a nice large space in there to pop in your food, whatever it may be, anything from kebabs and skewers to things like street corn, hot dogs, or even items like French fries. It has an amazing grease-proof lining, which means that it's ideal for serving these handheld portable finger foods without having to worry about greasy messes or lots of sauce, right? It's going to allow your customers to carry it around, eat with ease, and keep the mess contained. They come in both craft and white. It's a 12-ounce size, and it's about 13 inches long by 4 inches wide. So it really will hold a nice amount in there. So they're great portion sizes for things like food trucks, food stalls, street vendors, any of that kind of stuff. If you're doing things, say, skewers, kebabs, tacos, hot dogs, tenders, street corn, even fries. It's a really versatile packaging option for food truck style foods. It's made from recyclable paper, which makes it a great option if you're looking to kind of have something that's more eco-friendly. And as far as storage goes, they come flat like this, and they're easy to pop up and slip food in really quickly, making for fast service. And they have, as you can see, a really small footprint, so they're going to be easy to store in limited space. This makes them a great option for food trucks for serving those hot and sometimes messy items.